Don't connect your AI to your brokerage account. And let me give you several very good reasons why you should not do that. And it's got nothing to do with security and all of those things. First of all, the reason the brokers want you to do this is it will encourage you to trade. Who wins in trading? Well, the brokers do, because we know in terms of profitability and returns, private investors overwhelmingly lose money when they try to trade and time the market. And by trading, I mean holding things for well under a year, maybe holding it for minutes, seconds, a week, even a few months. So it's going to encourage you to trade. That's going to cause you losses. Now, the brokers won't be on the other side of those losses unless they're spread betting firms in the UK. But in the case of American companies, they'll just be earning more commissions as you trade more frequently. Now, you might think, well, no, wait a minute. If I connect it, surely I'm getting more research. That in and of itself, perfectly fine. But you don't need to connect your AI to the broker in order to do that. Well, perhaps it'll allow you to analyze your portfolio. Again, that in and of itself, how concentrated am I? What percentage of my portfolio is in my top 3%, top three positions? That's fine. But you can do that for annual rebalancing in any event. And you can do it a lot more simply. You just basically, if you've got 20 stocks, 5% in each, you'd rebalance back to 5% at the end of the year. If you're worried because some stock has outsized in its performance and gone above 10%, you can bring it back to 10 or 5% during the course of a year. You don't really need to connect AI for that. And I don't mind if you do for that reason, but it's the third one, trade. That's the one that they've hidden. That's the one that is really the reason they want you to do it. See where it says create sell instructions for positions where my unrealized gain is above 40%, selling enough to recover my original cost basis, etc., etc. God knows what that means, by the way, because it's not even clear to me, let alone for AI. And I can tell you as a hedge fund manager, that's not clear. So let me tell you several problems with that. It's going to encourage private investors to come up with all sorts of what they might think are clever, rational rules, which will turn them suddenly into hedge fund managers. Well, actually, a hedge fund manager will tell you, and I've written the book Mind of a Trader, where I interviewed the world's leading hedge fund managers, they'll tell you that 80% of your profits come from 20% of your trades. Letting your winners run and actually adding to winning positions is the more sensible thing to do. So even the example they've given you there, whether purposely or not, is one which is contrary to what some of the leading hedge fund managers like Bill Lipschutz would tell you should be doing. And that's one example, let alone the ones that you as a private investor might just come up with. Guess what's happening all the time? The more you trade, the more commissions they're earning, the more you're going in and out, and not just commissions, often spreads, and they're locking you into the service. So have they done this because it's going to make you a better investor, better informed? No, the perverse thing with investing is it's often better to have less information once you hold the positions, because yes, 8 out of your 20 positions might be losing at the end of the year, as they often are with Warren Buffett. But the point is that more information wouldn't have made you a better investor. If it didn't do it for Buffett, it's not going to do it for you. The better thing is not to panic, not to get bored, and have lots of information before you enter the positions. Once you've entered them, then you should be locked in. Otherwise, you should never have entered them in the first place. And constantly updating that information day in, day out will only cause you to trade instead. So, ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, AI is great, but it doesn't belong inside a brokerage account, right? Sorry.